Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, AmaZulu 1. I'm joined by
Asanda. Yeah, man. Yeah,
yes.
Yeah, let me just take this opportunity first again and say welcome back, Mako.
Yes.
To the beautiful game.
Yes.
I know that boy, bruh. Mako. Let me welcome that boy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I believe in him.
Yes.
I believe in him, bruh.
He's nice.
He's superb.
He's what?
He's superb.
Huh?
Superb.
Mako is
superb. Okay, so I once said to you, Pirates ngicela ingenzele a favor.
Yes.
You must only win 10 games in a row.
Yes.
Okay, I think you still remember what Lento Lengisho Manch.
Yeah.
I said it here in Orlando. I said only 10 games. Ngicela nje 10 games in a row.
Yes.
Without a lose.
Yes.
Without a lose.
So we like
i-draw ngoba angikosho 100% but i-lose angiyifuni at all.
Yes, zero
at all.
loss.
Ngifuna nje straight.
So win ezingaki.
Manje I think it's na how many games man? How many games? 5 games. In a row.
5 straight wins.
5. So yazi. Yeah, la mfuna khona ndibe ngisho ngisaya khona.
Wamabhakaniya iPirates akakadliwa.
15 games. Stalo.
5 straight wins.
Stalo angakaluzi. So ilento engangiyithandazela ngicela ukuthi kule season because iSundowns ishanga into eyi1.
Yes.
Iyameda iSundowns ivele ifuna ama games i10.
Sure.
Or then yenze show ukuthi isebenza ngawo kusakhanya.
Yes.
So ilento esifunayo player wePirates, please guys, can you just give us these 10 games?
Yes.
That's all.
Please.
Into ufuna ukuyisho ngizonikeza abafowethu.
Man of the match.
Amakota waselokishini.
Yeah.
Amakota waselokishini ikota.
Kota.